Are you considering switching to wood or pellet heating? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll compare wood stoves and pellet stoves, covering everything from cost to maintenance, so you can make an informed decision. Let's start with cost. Wood stoves generally range from $1,500 to $4,500, depending on the model and features. Pellet stoves tend to be a bit cheaper, ranging from $1,000 to $2,500. Keep in mind that installation and materials can add to the overall expense for both types. Next up, heat output. Wood stoves typically offer between 10,000 and 68,000 BTUs, making them powerful enough to heat large spaces. Pellet stoves, while slightly less powerful, provide between 7,000 and 35,000 BTUs. This means that wood stoves may be better for larger homes, while pellet stoves are great for medium-sized spaces. When we say a stove is 75% efficient, it means 75% of the fuel's energy is converted into heat, while the remaining 25% escapes through the chimney in the form of heat, smoke, and gases. In terms of efficiency, both options are relatively close. Wood stoves operate at about 72 to 80% efficiency, while pellet stoves range between 75% and 80%. Moisture content greatly affects how well fuel burns. Wood pellets have about 7% moisture, making them easy to ignite, clean burning, and highly efficient. Freshly cut wood has a high moisture level, leading to poor heat output, more smoke, and faster creosote buildup. However, properly seasoned wood with 15% to 20% moisture burns much longer than pellets. For those using wood stoves, well-seasoned firewood is key to better performance. Check out our video on how to properly season firewood to learn more. Both stoves have cleaning needs over time, though pellet stoves require a bit less periodic maintenance than wood stoves. Pellet stoves need additional cleaning of their hopper and ash pan when that time rolls around. To make maintenance easier, we recommend the DIY cleaning solutions from the Gardus brand's SootEater line of rotary cleaners designed for both chimneys and pellet stoves. Let's talk about fuel storage. If you're using a wood stove, you'll also need to cut and stack the wood in a dry space to prevent mold and moisture. Be sure to check out our video on the array of firewood storage racks we offer, designed to keep your wood dry, organized, and ready to burn. Pellets, however, are sold in easy-to-handle bags and typically bought in bulk. For a reliable and clean-burning fuel option, consider our Flame Genie premium hardwood pellets, which feature a low 5 to 10% moisture content, ensuring an efficient, allergy-free burn. To summarize, choosing between a wood stove and a pellet stove ultimately comes down to your personal needs. If you value high heat output and don't mind the extra work of maintaining a stove and seasoning firewood, a wood stove may be right for you. If you prefer convenience and a cleaner operation, a pellet stove is likely the better option. Thanks for watching. We hope this comparison helped clarify your decision. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions. Stay warm, and see you in the next video.